Have you ever wondered who can help you get a loan to buy a house? Well, there are two main people you might hear about: a mortgage broker and a bank loan officer. But what do they do? And how are they different? In this video, we're going to talk about what a mortgage broker does, what a bank loan officer does, and how they can help you get a loan for your home in 2025. We'll keep it simple so you can feel confident when it's time to make a big decision. Let's start with a mortgage broker. A mortgage broker is like a matchmaker for home loans. They don't work for just one bank or lender. Instead, they work with many different banks and lenders to help you find a loan that fits you best. It's kind of like shopping around to find the best deal. When you work with a mortgage broker, they will look at your information, like how much money you make, how much you want to borrow, and your credit score. Then, they will go out and look at different loan options from different lenders. After that, they bring you a few choices so you can pick the one that works best for you. Think of it this way. If you were buying shoes, a mortgage broker would be the person who checks all the stores in the mall to find your size, your style, and your price. That's pretty helpful, right? Now let's talk about a bank loan officer. A bank loan officer works for one bank or one lending company. They can only offer you the loans that their bank has. So, if you go to a big bank and talk to a loan officer, they'll help you apply for one of their loans. Loan officers can still help you a lot. They know their bank's rules and can tell you what you need to do to apply. They will help you fill out forms, check your paperwork, and guide you through the process. If you already do your banking there or like their loan options, working with a loan officer might be a good choice. So, what's the big difference? The biggest difference is this. A mortgage broker gives you options from many lenders. A loan officer gives you options from just one lender. It's kind of like going to a restaurant that only serves one kind of food versus a food court that lets you choose from pizza, tacos, or burgers. Now, let's talk about 2025. What's new this year? In 2025, both mortgage brokers and bank loan officers are using more online tools than ever before. You can often upload your documents online, track your loan progress through apps, and even sign papers digitally. Whether you go with a broker or a loan officer, the process is faster and easier than it used to be. Also, rules are stricter now to help protect you. That means both brokers and loan officers have to give you clear information about interest rates, fees, and how much your monthly payment will be. You don't have to guess or wonder. You'll know what you're signing up for. So, who should you choose? Well, that depends on what's important to you. If you want to compare lots of loan options and find the best fit, a mortgage broker might be the right person to help. If you already trust your bank and want a simple, direct process, a bank loan officer might be a great choice. No matter what, both people want to help you buy your home. And remember, you can always ask questions. If something doesn't make sense, just speak up. Let's review what we learned. A mortgage broker works with many lenders to find you different loan options. A bank loan officer works for one lender and can help you apply for that bank's loan. In 2025, both use more technology to make the process faster and easier. The rules are clearer now, so you know what you're agreeing to. You get to choose who helps you based on what works best for you. Buying a home is a big step, but you don't have to do it alone. There are people, like brokers and loan officers, whose job is to help you. Now that you know the difference, you're one step closer to being ready. Thanks for watching. For more information, be sure to connect with us.
Thank you so much for watching the video. We are here to answer all your questions you may have about the mortgage process, whether you're purchasing or refinancing. You can reach us at 615-400-6764. That's 615-400-6764 via call or text. And also you'll have my email address down below. That's mhelton at OneTrust. That's ONETRUST home, HOME, loans with an S.com. mhelton at OneTrustHomeLoans.com. Thanks again and have a great day. Talk to you soon.